Hello everyone, welcome to another review from the Venus Live Studios Lifestyle Product Reviews division. Today I'm going to be reviewing the MacBook Pro 2017 edition. Now I purchased this laptop, which I'm going to pretty much unbox very soon, from Amazon, and here is the receipt. It costed me 132,500 rupees, and if you look at the fine print, it says the model number is MPXV2HN/A. So the MPX versions are the 2017 edition MacBook versions. Now this is the 3.1 GHz 8 GB RAM model. So without wasting time, let's just get to the unboxing. So the box came like this from Amazon. Not yet opened its seal, as you can see. There's the MacBook Pro. Let me get that out. It's the one with the touch bar. Yeah, I'm just going to keep the box aside. Now let's take a look at the box. What do we have here? So pretty much straightforward white box. It weighs approximately around 2 to 3 kilos, I guess, 3 kgs maybe. And let's look at the specifications here on the box. That says 13.3 inches MacBook Pro. Yeah, Retina LED backlit display with IPS technology, 2560 by 1600 pixels. It really has a good screen. That's what I've heard, so we'll check it out. 3.1 GHz, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, Intel Iris Plus graphics 650, and the other works. 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports. Yep. And at the sides, it just has a Apple logo. At the back, it says. At the side, it says MacBook Pro. That's about it. Yeah. So if you look at the MRP of this, I believe it should be written here. So if you look at the MRP, it says 1,47,900, but I actually got it I got a good deal from Amazon for 132,500, and it has an 18% GST onto it, which amounts to 20,211. If you're purchasing this for a business, for operational purposes, you can definitely claim this amount. All right, let's get back to the unboxing. Okay, I'm going to slowly cut the sides with this knife that I have. Let me cut that. Okay. I guess this is the right side. And I'm trying to pull it out. Here you go. There it is. MacBook Pro Space Gray Edition. Lift it up. This is nice. So it's totally wrapped up in some sort of a plastic. Let's keep that aside for now. Let's see what else is there in the box. Okay, I have a USB-C connector. I guess it's a Thunderbolt connector as they call it. And what else do we have? Some documentation, I believe so. MacBook Pro. Some stickers from Apple. Yeah, basic guide. Let's just keep that aside. Back in the box. Here we have the charger, the Indian version. Of course, that is this 2-pin plug. So that this thing goes in like that. Okay, there's a charger. And here's the cable. The USB Type-C port goes in here. Okay, that's it. That's all the box has, right? So let's just keep that aside. Let's look at the laptop. There it is. I'm going to take out this film. and then we're going to switch it on. Okay. So at the bottom of the laptop it says, designed by Apple California, assembled in China. Has the model number. If you look at the sides here, the actual speakers at the bottom, down-firing speakers, and there's some sort of a ventilation for the MacBook Pro. It's a very nice matte finish, space gray edition. Looks very plush and sleek. One good thing that I know about MacBooks is, at least these Pro editions, is if you just lift the lid, the bottom face does not come up. But in this case, it's just dwindling a bit. Let's give it another try. Maybe it's because of the skin. It's an instant on, right? So you're just gonna close that lid again. And yeah, it's somehow not too stable as they claim the MacBook Pro to be. But that's the laptop. You see it's starting booting up for the first time. It's a touch bar edition. It's got Touch ID. If you look at this grill, these are actually not speakers. These are actually not speakers. They're just for design purposes. The speakers are down firing at the bottom of the MacBook Pro. It's pretty light, pretty thin, very sleek. Yep. Definitely a good laptop to purchase, but it's a little expensive than the other laptops on the market, but you're paying for the premium feel of it. Right. Not many people have found a use for the touch bar, but I used it a couple of times at an Apple store. I liked it a lot. It's a cool feature to have, especially when you're typing messages and you want to put smileys. Everything comes there itself. So it's asking me for the language. So let's look at the setup. I'm going to choose English. Mind you, this is the first time boot of this machine. Let's see how long it takes to boot as well. It says country. We'll choose India. Keyboard layout ABC. Wi-Fi. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi. We'll drop it like it's hotspot. It was able to connect. Transfer information to this Mac. I'm going to select do not transfer any information. Apple ID. I'm going to push punch in my Apple ID details. A message with verification code has been sent to the other device running iOS 10. And it's loading now. Some terms and conditions. Let's agree to all of them. I agree. And it's setting up my iCloud account. If you look at the touch bar, increasing the brightness. It's a little too bright for the camera. Yeah. Now it comes to Express setup. Now it's asking for Touch ID. Let's set it up, right? It says lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. There, come on. Yep. Your fingerprint can now be used to unlock your Mac. Not setting up the Mac. That's a pretty cool thing, the Touch ID, right? I mean, of course, it's not a new technology, but for MacBooks, of course, it's something really cool to have. I've been using the MacBook Air and it doesn't have a Touch ID feature. So finally, My new laptop does now, which is pretty cool. I don't have to punch in passwords each time I log in. Let's see how long it takes to set up the Mac for the first time. In the meantime, we can take a relook at the laptop. It is light, not heavy, plush, but it's a fingerprint. It catches a bit of fingerprints, not too much. That you can call it a magnet, although, but it does, grab a few fingerprints here and there. The best thing, the keyboard's a little too noisy. I don't know if you can make out the key sounds. A little noisier than the other keyboards that I've used. Alright then. Nice wallpaper. Regular Mac. Let's see, let's go to help. Get to know your MacBook Pro. It goes to help.apple.com. Alright then. That's it for the MacBook Pro, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Right. Do subscribe to the channel for regular updates to the new videos I post. Thank you. Have a great day.